We're in Nevada City, narrow gauge railroad station in California, and we're in their restoration shop. Here's their engine number 5, locomotive number 5, and yeah, it's really cool. They just let us walk around in the shop. There's the plate there, 1875. She's a beauty. She runs. They run them every second Sunday, and I guess you can ride a couple. They've got some real nice little passenger cars. This one's the Tahoe. And looks like maybe it's oil fired now. I'm sure it was wood fired originally, or coal. But yeah, this is a really cool place. All kinds of stuff. We'll do a video outside. There's Stinky. I've seen Stinky in the past. Different place. And they got all their machine shop stuff going on here. Here's another locomotive, their number 1 locomotive. And they got they're working on a passenger car. Boy, they got it torn apart. Take a look at those controls. Hot and stinky job, I'm sure. Here's this one's definitely wood fired. They got all the wood in it. Antelope and Western. It's a 1889, Pittsburgh, PA. That's really cool.
He's our expert. Do you want anything here on the board?